Hey guys, it's Sadie, welcome back, and today I'm going to teach you all how to make a rainbow pom-pom garland. So let's get started. So here is how you make a pom-pom. You're going to take your 2 fingers and start wrapping your first color of yarn around those fingers. So you want to wrap it up till it's pretty thick, and then once you have it like that, you can take another string and stick it through your fingers and then pull that through, and then you are going to tie it with one hand around the pom-pom. And then once you've tied it once, you can slide it off, then tighten it and tie it into a knot. Alright, then once you've done that, you can cut off those strings that are really long. And then you are going to stick your scissors through the loops and cut. And then once you've cut it, you're going to just fluff the pom-pom by just pulling apart the strands of yarn. And if there are any weird places that stick out, you can just trim those down. And there you have a pom-pom. And now you're going to repeat this with your 6 other colors. Alright, so now that we have all our pom-poms made, we are just going to space them out however far apart you want them in your garland. I'm going to do about like 1 pom-pom in between each of them. You probably won't be able to see this very well, but I'm doing my best. And so once you have them all spaced out, you're just going to take your twine and leave a little bit on either side and just line up the twine with your pom-pom garland with all the pom-poms, leaving a bit on either side to tie. So you're going to find the middle of the pom-pom where you tied that string around. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult, and then you just take the string and tie it around the pom-pom. This is definitely the hardest step of the craft, but yeah. So, and then you have it on, and you're just going to tie all the other pom-poms on. So there you have your rainbow pom-pom garland. I hope you enjoyed this craft tutorial.